Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to add and subtract time in Excel. We can add and subtract the time in Excel just like other numbers. Okay, in this example I want to know the total hours for the project tasks. Okay, I can use the sum function to add the hours. Okay, so the first step I have to highlight the cell, and in the formula bar I type equal sum opening parentheses and highlight the cells like this and press enter. Now Excel displays the total hours for the project tasks. Okay, the total hours in this case is less than 24 hours. In other cases, the total hours could be greater than 24 hours. Okay, if the total hours is greater than 24 hours, we have to format the time like this. H represent hour and M represent minutes. Let me show you how to do this. I want to add the total hours, so I highlight the cell, and in the formula bar I type equal sum opening parentheses and highlight the cells like this and press enter. Now Excel doesn't display the right result, so I have to apply the format. Okay, I can right click the cell and select format cells. Okay, under category I select custom and I can scroll down the list like this and select this format. Okay, or we can type it. We can type square bracket H, which represents hours, and colon, then which represents the minute. In this case I don't want to display the second, and press OK. Now Excel displays the right result. So when we add the time, we have two cases: the total hours greater than 24 hours or less than 24 hours. If the total hours is greater than 24 hours, we have to apply this format: square bracket H square bracket colon H represent hour and represent minutes. If the total hours less than 24 hours, we don't need to format the time, but it's the best to format it if we don't sure if the time exceed 24 hours or not. Now I am going to show you how to subtract time in Excel. In this example, I wanted to know how many hours the person worked. Okay, in this sheet contains the sign in for the employee and the sign out, and I want to know the total of hours for each person. Okay, let me show you how to do this. In this example, the hours totals is less than 24 hours. Okay, so I highlight the first step, I highlight the cell, and in the formula bar I type equal. Okay, then I select the sign out. Okay, so I select D4. Okay, subtract from the sign in, so I select C4 and press enter. Okay, this isn't the right result. Okay, we have to note that Excel stores the time as a fraction of 24 hours a day. For example, 12 p.m. is a half a day. To go from a half a day 2 hours, we need to multiply by 24 a day. Let me show you how to do this. I highlight the cell, and in the formula bar I type equal, opening parentheses, and sign out, so I select D4, subtract from the sign in, so I select C4, and closing parentheses. And we have to multiply by 24 hours. Okay, so I type times 24 and press enter. Now, Excel display the total hours as a number. Okay, the second case, the hours totals could be greater than 24 hours. Let me show you how to do this. The first step, I highlight the cell, and in the formula bar I type equal. Then I select the sign out, so I select D12, subtract from, sign in, so I select C12, and press enter. This isn't the right result. In this case, if the total hours exceeds the 24 hours, we have to apply this format. Square bracket, H square bracket column mm. H represents the hour and mm represents the minutes. Let me show you how to do this. The first step, I select or highlight the cells like this and display the format dialog box, so I right click and select format cells, custom, and in this area, in the type area, I type square bracket, H, which represents the hour, right square bracket, column, mm, and press OK. Now, Excel displays the right result. So, when we subtract the time, we have two cases. The first case, the total hours is less than 24 hours. We have to multiply by 24 hours a day. Okay? And if the hours greater than 24 hours, we have to apply this format, square bracket, H square bracket, column, mm. That's it. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any feedback, please comment below the video. Thank you so much, and see you in another tutorial.